Hi, I'm Rob, and this is how to assemble and install a drawer cabinet. Let's get into it. Drawer cabinets are a great way to add organised storage to your kitchen. Start by laying out all your parts and check them off against the instructions. A flat, clean surface makes assembly easier. Begin by assembling the cabinet frame. For added strength, apply an exterior woodworking glue. Attach the back panel to the base using the supplied screws. Then, fix the side panels into place. Add the support rail if your unit includes it, as this helps keep everything square and sturdy. Then secure your adjustable feet onto the pre-drilled holes on the bottom panel. Make sure you set the height to 145mm. The cabinet frame is now complete. And now it's time to assemble the drawers. Secure your front and back panel to your bottom panel. Then secure your left and right side panels, they'll be marked to guide you. Once assembled, it's time to install the runners. First, you'll need to remove the drawer guide by pulling the black tab up or down. Then screw the drawer guide onto the drawer panel by lining this up with the pre-drilled holes. From here, screw the runner on the inside of the cabinet following the guide of the pre-drilled holes. Attaching the drawer fronts is next. Position the front panel on the lower drawer box, ensuring it is flush and centered. Clamp it in place, then pre-drill holes from inside the drawer and secure it with screws. From here, the following drawer fronts should be flush on either side with even spacing from the other drawer fronts. You can use a 3mm spacer or a $1 coin. With your cabinet assembled, now move it into position. Ensure your cabinet is level and if needed, adjust the feet. If placing it next to another cabinet, clamp them together and screw from the inside to keep everything joined. Then drill through the back panel into the wall studs using screws that are at least 65mm long. And there you have it, a drawer cabinet that will help you keep your space neat and tidy. If you like this video, make sure to check out our other instructional guides. We've got plenty of DIY advice online to help you tackle your next project with confidence.